Your co-workers are not your friends. Maybe one or two are real. But what about the rest? They would sell you out faster than they clock in. You think they care about you? No. They care about themselves and their image and make it out of this mess with their hands clean. They will smile in your face and gossip behind your back. They will nod at you in meetings and then take credit for your work. Stop trusting people who wouldn't even pick you up if you were lying in the street. At work, it's survival. And survival means knowing who to keep close and who to keep away from.